Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to configure the hard disk write caching. Windows uses system RAM to collect the write commands before sending it to storage devices like USB drives or memory cards or any other externally attached storage devices. Now, when you connect any storage devices in the window, you will see a small icon in the system tray or near the clock, that is at the right side bottom. You will see something called safely remove hardware and eject media. Let me show you. This is what safely remove and hardware media. Most users first eject the device from there before unplugging. If you don't eject it, then there is a chance that the data could be lost. Write caching makes sure that the drive is cached for faster read and write access. We can always disable the write caching if you have to frequently unplug the external hard drive or the USB drive. Now let me show you how can we do that. So for that, click on my computer and go to System Properties and then Device Manager, and in here you will expand the disk drives. You will find this is my USB flash drive, SanDisk. So now I will right click this one and click Properties and then go to Policies. Here we can see the removal policy. Quick removal by default. It means disable write caching on the device and in Windows, but you can disconnect the device safely without using the safely removable hardware notification icon. Or else you can also choose the better performance, enables write caching in Windows, but you must use this notification icon to disconnect the safely removed device. Now again, if you choose a better performance, you got an option, the write caching policy, enable write caching on this device, and then again so on, turn off Windows write caching, buffer flushing, so on. But this is more important, quick removal. This is more important in case you remove the pen drive frequently or any power outrage or any kind of power failure. This should be enabled, and is by default it's enabled, but still sometimes if you want more performance, then you can edit this configuration depending on your need. This is how we can configure this hard disk write caching. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.